and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a data model using Oracle SQL Developer Data Modeler. We'll design a simple library management system data model, and I'll explain each step as we go along. Let's start by diving right into the process of creating tables, defining relationships, and generating the DDL script to create the database in Oracle. Now we have a blank canvas where we can start building our data model. All necessary tabs are there like New Entity, New View, Many-to-Many Relationship, One-to-Many Relationship, Engineer to Relational Model, etc. First, create a new design. To do this, just go to New Entity. We'll start by creating the first table for our model, which will be the Authors table, where we have to mention the table name in General tab. After that, in Attribute tab, create the column on clicking plus icon and write the column name along with data type. So I am going to create 3 columns: author ID, first name and last name, with proper data types, and click. Next, let's create the Books table, just like we did for authors. Here, we have the book _ID, title, author ID and publish date. Add one by one with proper data type and now, let's add the Members table, which will store information about the people who borrow books from the library. Here, we have the Member ID column as the primary key, and we are storing the first name, last name and email of the members. Adding these columns with proper data types. Now 3 tables are created. Now double-click on the table to implement Unique Identifier. The interface will be open like this. Go to Unique Identifier, then Attribute and Relations, click on Author ID, Add, Apply and OK. Go to General and change the name and in State change to Primary Key. Click Apply and then OK. Now hashtag is visible. It means that Author ID is the primary key. Now apply the same method in the other both tables. Now, let's connect the tables. We want to create a relationship between books and authors. Go to One-to-Many Relationship icon and drag from author to books and members to track who has borrowed which book. This table will have a foreign key for both book ID and member ID, linking them back to the corresponding tables. Now go to Engineer to Relational Model tab and click on Engineer. Now we can see relational model has been created. Once we've designed our tables and set up the relationships, it's time to generate the DDL script. This script will create the schema and tables in Oracle SQL. To do this, right-click on the relational model and select Generate DDL. Or go to View tab and click on DDL File Editor. The interface will be opened and then you have to choose the database. I am selecting SQL Server 2012 and click on Generate. Give you the SQL script needed to create the tables and relationships in your Oracle database. The script has been generated. You can now save the script as a DDL file in your local system. As you can see, we have relationships between the authors, books, and members tables, which helps us manage the library system. Today we've learned how to create a data model using Oracle SQL Developer Data Modeler, how to design tables, define relationships, and generate the DDL script to create the schema in Oracle. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more database and Oracle-related tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.